paramedics that's come out to assist the lady here. Ringo What?
They don't like me, brother.
No, listen, they like you as an individual. They think that you're a very vibrant person.
Vibrant?
Yeah, and you're...
Look like this.
It doesn't matter how... That collapsed at the bus stop.
Basically,
It's just your personality. It's just your personality. You're a bit feisty on the left side. On the right side, you're a nice person. On the left side, you're a bit feisty. But 1,000,000% I wouldn't know the truth. Because if we don't...
It doesn't fucking give a shit. There's no... I help him... Many times, yeah? Like, try to help him, but he doesn't give a shit.
But, Chucky said he got some help. Chucky and Molly said they got help. They said that they might get... Bless, yeah, man. Comes to individuals that are taking substances that they're not supposed to really be taking as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man, but give thanks for the NHS. The NHS has come and saved a life today again. You understand? So there's some more incidents what's happening out in Croydon. A lady has collapsed here by Sainsbury's, and an ambulance has just come out to come and see to her. So yeah, man, it is dangerous here in the community and people do need support. Why do they need support? Because there are individuals in our community that are suffering from mental health, suffering from all sorts of different type of things that they need personal assistance and they need personal care. You understand, people, yeah? So one love to each and every one of you that has been here on the journey supporting us. You understand? The paramedics have come now to see to her. A month ago this was moved up from Greg's and we've got that whole setup right back here again. You understand, people? So just wanted to show you guys that the conditions don't really change inside of this community. The conditions more or less stay the same until the real problem, the real issue gets tackled. You understand, people, yeah? We're going to constantly be having setups like this on our high street, busy high street, which is London Road. You understand, people, yeah? It's a community that needs a lot of support and needs a lot of help. Our mission is to help and feed. Yeah, so just right by West Croydon where we are right now in London Road. Like I said to you guys before, London Road is one of them roads, a very, very busy road that takes you into Croydon, and you understand, people, yeah? But on this road we have a lot of activities that happen in and out of our communities. There's not much support, but the community does need support, people, yeah? We do need people that's coming out, we do need people that cares, you understand? Because it's a very, very, very busy community, you understand? Yeah, I think
yeah, mate.
Yeah, I think she probably fainted. So we're just going past midday in Croydon, everybody, and yes, we've got a paramedics that's come out to assist the lady here that collapsed at the bus stop. Bless. Yeah, man.
That's right, exactly.
Mario, you alright?
You're right.
I'm cooking, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm just cooking over there, so I'll bring the food out in a little while, yeah?
You over there.
I'll come up, I'll bring it up. Yeah.
She's just drunk, there's nothing wrong with her, bro. Wasting time, wasting resources.
What do you think's happened?
Dash that straight into rehab. You gotta dash that straight into rehab. You can't take that hospital and what are you gonna do? Put her in the drip and then release her and do the same thing again. You
Literally.
dash that straight into rehab. They need to build something where you can just dash these lot straight into rehab.
Literally.
Straight into rehab, some sort of rehab program.
Yes, everyone, I think that's a really good solution, because a lot of individuals in Croydon that are homeless, some of them naturally hit rock bottom, and some of them is because of the intake of the amount of substance that they put into their bodies. Well, it's good that she's coming off the street and she's got aided and she's been supported, because this could almost be a life that's just gone down the drain, that's just lost, and on the high street in front of everyone. She could have actually lost her life here today in front of everybody on the high street, people, yeah? And that's how serious it is when it comes to individuals that are taking substances that they're not supposed to really be taking as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man, but give thanks for the NHS. The NHS has come and saved a life today again. You understand? They've done their job. But what we need all charities to come together that are supporting homelessness. Whether these people are on drugs, whether they're alcoholics or whatnot. But guess what? There's a solution for them. There is rehab for them. There's rehab for them. There's rehab for them. There's all sorts of things for them.
Yeah, just I'm asking you to do one favor.
But I'm not highlighting you, big
Bro,
man.
I'm
not even highlighting you. I'm highlighting the situation.
But I'm asking you, don't let catch me, rude boy. That's all I ask.
But I'm not even putting it on you. I'm not even putting it on you. Yes, everybody. Some people are just so silly out here. Do you know what I mean? I'm highlighting what's going on, and this gentleman, don't put me on camera. Don't put me on camera. Bro, putting you on camera, mate. I'm highlighting the situation of what's going on the high street. I wasn't directing anything to you, but guess what? I'm directing everything to my people that are watching. You understand? That's been supporting me on the journey. That's been a part of this movement with me. You understand? We are all in this together, people, yeah? One love. How you doing, mums? You alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Alright, thank you, yeah? Yes. So, yeah, man, it's all about the love, people. It's all about the community vibes, community spirit, community support. You understand? Yeah, man, and that's what it's about. Yes, that's what it's about, people, yeah? A good vibes. People, so yeah, man, until next time, people, yeah? I'll keep showing you what's going on in our local community, and you understand the progress. All I'm highlighting is the highlight to show you guys whether we're reaching somewhere with progression or whether we're still stagnant and things are not moving. You understand, people, yeah? But I'll continue to do my mission, and I'll continue to come out and push the awareness, you understand? And highlight, I will continue to highlight what is happening in local communities and what can be done and the changes that could be made. You understand, people, yeah? All right, our good vibes. So remember, right here we've got a lady that's just gone into the ambulance. So yeah, so we've got the lady that's just gone into the ambulance. She's been aided some support and some help. So yeah, man, one love to each and every one of you. There's something going on in town here. Don't know what it is, but there's a lot of sirens that we can hear in the background, people. Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is a whole setup, a cardboard setup right here. About a month ago, this was moved up from Greg's, and we've got that whole setup right back here again. You understand, people? So just wanted to show you guys that the conditions don't really change inside of this community. The conditions more or less stay the same until the real problem, the real issue gets tackled. You understand, people? Yeah, we're going to constantly be having setups like this on our high street, busy high street, which is London Road. You understand, people? Yeah, it's a community that needs a lot of support and needs a lot of help. Our mission is to help and feed 1 million people across the UK and also globally. We are planning to go into our next 20 cities very, very, very soon. I'm going to announce where we're going to be. We're going to take a mini tour around the UK to help the homeless and help those that are in need. You understand, people? Yeah. Big up yourself, everybody that's been a part of the journey. Like I said, look straight over here. It's crazy, crazy, crazy dynamics right here. One big old setup here, another one right there. You understand, people? Yeah. And the lady's still in the ambulance, so the ambulance hasn't moved yet. So that shows the seriousness of what's happened. And like I said, that lady that was on the floor, she's a user as well. Not to put her down, but to let people know that she needs support and she needs help. And if she doesn't get help and she doesn't get support, like an individual was saying, they're going to bring her to the hospital and she's going to come back out nice and fresh, and the same occurrence is going to happen again. But if they try to put these individuals into rehab, try to rehabilitate them, you understand, then these circumstances will be lessened. We won't have the same occurrence that has been there 1 month ago, and that's also now we've got a double set up on the high street, people. Yeah. All right, so one love to each and every one of you. Keep the mission going, people. Yeah. This is one of the rarest communities in London, and I'm not just saying it because of it is. When we come down to the conditions and how the people them are treated and how a high street has turned. I'm talking to the camera. Yes, yes, everybody. So it's not even pointing at you. It's on me. This is one of my favorites. Yeah, but she doesn't like to be on camera.
I don't like to.
You love it.
I don't like.
No, you love it.
No, I don't. I don't.
Mario.
I like.
Wagwan, why are you holding down your head? And you're my virgin. You're not even meant to hide from the camera. We're meant to talk about the situation, what's going on out here on the streets in Croydon, and how we can resolve these situations, and what the authority and the council can do. Because when they watch these videos, they know what you are saying. It's not me saying it, it's you saying it. So if you tell them that they're not doing enough and they need to do more, you should tell them so that they can see it and they can hear from those.
It doesn't fucking give a shit anyway.
It's still good to express yourself.
But you want to know the truth.
Of course I want to know the truth.
I'm sure.
100% I want to know the truth. 1,000,000% I want to know the truth. Because if we don't...
It doesn't fucking give a shit. There's all, I help him many times,
Yeah.
Like, try to help him, but it doesn't give a shit.
But, Chucky said he got some help. Chucky and Molly said they got help. They said that they might get a place today. Is that true, Jody? Chucky and Molly's getting a place?
I give him many money as well. It doesn't care.
What's the truth, Mario?
You need
Ask
to
him.
come over the night to see what it is. But the night late over after 11. Okay, you're gonna see by yourself.
Okay. You hear that,
It's
everybody?
not my business. This is business.
Jody, I'm gonna go. What's happened?
He's probably shit himself.
No, don't say that. That's not true.
Have you shit yourself?
Don't say that on camera. Don't say that on camera.
Hello, knob jockeys. How you doing?
What's that? Wait there. I've never heard that. I've never heard that in my life. Say that name again.
Knob jock.
Knob jockeys. What's a knob jockey? Huh? Now, Jodie, what's a knob jockey?
Prick,
Ah,
basically.
no.
But anyway, I don't mean you lot, yeah? I know I look rough right now, but I'm sorry about that. Fucking hell, I do look rough.
Jodie, what is life like here in Croydon?
Shit!
No, but with
Man,
a
let me
little,
tell
no,
you.
no, but wait, with a little bit more description, it's just so that people can get a little insight. Because people really like you know, Jodie. Everyone that watches
don't like
Ringo,
me. They don't like me, brother.
no, listen, they like you as an individual. They think that you're a very vibrant person.
Vibrant.
Yeah, and you're.
Looking like this.
It doesn't matter how you look.
Basically,
It's just
I've
your
already told
personality. It's
them.
just your personality. You're a bit feisty on the left side. On the right side, you're a nice person. On the left side, you're a bit feisty. But
Look, do you know what? People take the piss, yeah? I had enough of that shit.
right.
Yeah? When you get paid, everyone's on your ass.
So what can we do with the money that you get paid? What help do you need? Because I know you need some support, and that's what it
I'm already
is.
working with CGL.
I know, but look, but CGO's not helping you to monitor your expenditures so that you do the right things when payment time comes. No, wait. Go on.
What I do, yeah?
Yeah.
People take the piss, they get fucked up. ASAP. So if people owe me a lot of money, yeah? You're all gonna slap round their fucking head.
Don't go slapping me around there, because I don't owe you no money. I ain't done nothing wrong, Jodie. I ain't done nothing wrong. Because you look like you wanted to give me a box there. And I'm thinking, bro, am I gonna get a backhand in a minute? That's what I was thinking. Alright, cool.
I love you, darling.
No, I love you too, Jodie. Beating off my chest like that. Alright, so people, look, Jodie, let me go and get the kitchen.
Wait, you lot.
She's happy. She's happy, look. And
Happy ain't no go lucky.
no, happy ain't no go lucky, yeah.
No.
But I would love to.
Can you see my eyes from this?
She's Miami Vice now.
To all you haters.
There's no haters out here,
got
Jodie.
numbers?
We only
I'm
have
here.
we only have people
Aye.
that show love. You follow me to get the kitchen. Alright, cool. Let's go. Yes, people. So
We're walking.
yes, and we're going to get the kitchen.
Do you want an orange on that?
An orange?
I want an orange.
You look like an orange.
Fuck off, I'm a fucking lobster.
You're what?
A lobster.
Lobster.
Yeah, man.
Sebastian.
Yeah?
Little Mermaid.
Lobster with blue eyes. Oh, dear.
A lobster with blue eyes.
That's not right. is it?
Where's your extra pair of hands?
Up my ass.
No, look. This is real life in Croydon, people, yeah? We're going to get the kitchen. Goodbye.
Listen, you know when in the morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking trying to get through here is hard work, you know. They don't move out the fucking way. It's like this.
Let's swear in.
Fucking little dodgy little cunts.
Whoa.
No.
Yes, people, so let's go and get the kitchen. Good vibes.
I'll give you this office, yeah? Sorry.